Sir, assalamu alaikum. Sir, I am not listening. Oh, okay.
Can you hear now?
Yeah, I already clear. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Thank
How
you.
are you?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Sir, you?
I'm okay, alhamdulillah. Very today you late to the meeting. This
Oh,
is my son, Muhammad.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu
Walaikum.
alaikum.
In Bangladesh.
Yeah, we are the
So
Bangladesh.
far
Oh,
away.
nice baby. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Nice baby. Nice baby.
So tell me, Tamur, what can you do? Do you see
Sir,
them
sir,
questions
okay.
I sent you?
Sir, please wait because of our team member actually not coming today now. Little bit, only within 1 minute, he will be
Okay.
add with us. Me
Okay.
actually, team member because of sir, our language problem. So English language is our third language. So
You
he,
want me to speak Bengali?
yeah, Bengali. Sir, you can understand Bengali, please.
No,
Bengali.
no, no. Only little word. One my friend, he run a restaurant. He speak a little Bengali.
Sir, where are you from? Sir.
I'm originally India. My parents are from India, but I'm born here, UK. I've been living here all my life,
Okay, thank you
39
very much,
years.
sir. Thank you very much. So, actually, team member told me, actually, my
Yeah.
team member told me he can help you properly. So, maybe you make an ad campaign per month, right, sir?
Yes, I want a Facebook ad campaign.
Oh, no problem. We are the expert in Facebook and Google Ads. No problem, sir. You strongly
Mhm.
believe, inshallah, we do properly and will become
Inshallah.
good result also. When I
Okay.
am is running a meeting, here have already I chat, here already campaign is start. This is my business, campaign start. So this is a
Okay.
good result will become when we have to do properly, properly and attractive and actually all thinkings we are proper use and then inshallah will be result will become. So what type of
Inshallah.
business you will now doing, sir?
Currently, I'm doing PCP car finance claims.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. We have analyzed your customer. First, we analyze your customer and keyword, and then we have to targeted keywords we put and targeted audience also we research. When have to
Okay.
start campaign, and then will be must show result will become good. Because of my team member also, he when have make a campaign, then he can talk with you like this all time you connected with us, our business, your business, our responsibility, sir.
Okay. So, how do we get started?
Oh, now we have need your access, your ad account access.
I don't have anything. I have nothing.
Oh, no
We
problem.
need to start it from scratch.
No problem. Our team member will be making all everything, and we need for your only your page, Facebook page access. So
We don't even have that. We need to create one.
okay, no problem. You will be create, and then our teammate also help with you. How can give you access? Then that type of short video also he share with you, sir. Okay,
Okay.
and then you can easily manage, sir. Okay, sir. I think when we are the demography research, your area based research, which area you want to show your ad campaign, that is also first thing, sir.
England and Wales.
Okay, and then your age targeted and ages, what type of age?
60, 66 and above.
Okay, no problem. Our teammate, all everything they can not share with you. You just check out and this type of need this type easily after finish meeting, and then our Ahmed also can share with you a short tips, and you just check out which area you need, what type of ages person you need, what type of customer you need. like this, okay? And then we have to do proper ad campaign making, and then good result will become. Of course, good result come. Algorithm, Facebook algorithm know when they make a good campaign, and then result must be coming. Just only 1 day or 2 day wait. When make campaign and then optimize only just little bit. Take time, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So after finish meeting and then everything he can message, and then please
Yeah,
will help
that's
with
fine.
it. Okay.
I'll wait for your message then.
Yeah, this is good for and Tarun Ahmed, our teammate. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So thank you. Just shortly meeting. I think a good result will become. And then you have any post problem. When you have any problem, you can message Tarun Ahmed. And we also again a Zoom meeting, face to face, only 5 minutes. I can everything solve with you. Okay, any type of problem.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So Alhamdulillah, I think we want to meet again and again. Your son loved me very. My also have two son. 6-year-old and twin baby also. Twin baby.
Oh,
That's it.
mashallah.
So now
Mashallah.
already sleeping because of Bangladesh now time and 11
Yeah.
p.m.
Okay. Yeah, very late now. Very late.
Yeah. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Allah Hafiz. We want to meet again and again. Okay, sir?
Okay. Okay, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Assalam.